Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to view your recent ad activity on Facebook. As a social media user, you might have noticed that ads are now an integral part of any online platform. Facebook and Instagram are two platforms where ads are inevitable. Although these ads can sometimes be annoying, they are tailored to your interests and preferences, and they do the job of showing us what we want to see. However, it can be helpful to keep track of the ads you've recently viewed, to help you make buying decisions and help you better understand your preferences. Both Facebook and Instagram allow users to view their recent ad activity, making it easier to keep track of what you've seen. To view your recent ad activity on Facebook, follow these simple steps. Launch the Facebook app and go to your profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Ads from the list provided. Under the Ad Preferences section, select Ad Activity. This will show you all the recent ads you've interacted with on Facebook. On Instagram, the steps to view your recent ad activity are as follows. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Settings category and select Ads. Tap on Ad Activity to view all the recent ads you've interacted with on Instagram. By following these simple steps, you can easily view the most recent ads you've interacted with on Facebook and Instagram. This can be especially useful if you're considering purchasing a product or service that you've seen advertised, as you can easily locate the ad and check out the details of the offering. Viewing your ad activity can also give you insights into your preferences and habits, enabling you to better understand the types, products, and services that you're interested in. Overall, the ability to view them is a handy feature that can help you make more informed purchasing decisions and better understand your preferences as a social media user. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.